Enjoy your life more with these tinnitus tips and tricks. If you constantly hear strange sounds, you may suffer from tinnitus. Most common around ages 55 to 65, tinnitus is a condition that is hard to deal with. This video is meant to help you deal with the unusual sounds that come with tinnitus. Find a tinnitus support group, and attend a meeting. This environment is the right place to get the education you need, as well as the companionship and support from people who experience the same symptoms as you do. Support groups will assist you in learning how to cope with the daily challenges of tinnitus. Many people who have tinnitus find relief from their condition by utilizing sound therapy. There is a simple experiment that you can try to see if sound therapy will help you cope with your tinnitus. Tune your radio between two stations. You should hear a static sound when you have tuned it between stations. If the static sound from the radio masks your tinnitus or makes it less noticeable, partially masks it, then sound therapy will probably help your condition. To prevent tinnitus from happening in the first place, or just flaring back up, avoid loud noises whenever possible. Travel with at least one pair of earplugs available. If worst comes to worst, use your fingers. By doing these things, you can protect your ears as they are and prevent your condition from worsening. To just live a life free of tinnitus, always have background noise available. Keep a television or music player on. Run a fan. Focus your hearing on the air conditioning or refrigerator running. Tinnitus is funny in the way that if you do not hear it, it is not really happening. Use a properly fitted medical device to help relieve tinnitus. A hearing aid alleviates symptoms in about half of tinnitus patients who also have hearing loss. A tinnitus masker, a device worn in the ear which produces a low-level noise that helps cover the unpleasant ringing sensation, can also benefit patients without hearing loss. Structure your day so that you have productive, enjoyable activity to do all the time. Staying busy will keep you from dwelling on your condition. Do not let tinnitus take control of your life. Keep your life fun and active to distract yourself from the tinnitus. You now have some information on tinnitus, and you can take the steps to cure it. Keep in mind that the sound could be caused by something more serious like otitis media, so have a doctor check you out before trying any home remedies. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.